Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name's Lauren, I'm in my 20s and my channel is all about food, fun, lifestyle, girly stuff, being positive and trying to keep our health and mental wellness on track, a bit of that thrown in as well. So anyway, yes, this vlog is all about Paris. I'm so excited. We've packed, we've got a great itinerary planned, we've got some brunches, some dinners, gonna do lots of mingling around, finding the cute photo spots and the things that you just want to do when you're in Paris for a weekend. We're going on the Eurostar. I'm going to show you on maps now, like roughly where we're going to go, and obviously I'll put in the description the places that we go as well, and I'll tag them in the video like I have done in my previous ones. Yeah, come with us to Paris.
Are you making a vlog?
Yeah.
Oh my god!
I think the girls have been practicing.
We're home. We just came back from an Italian restaurant
In Paris. Very nice.
I know. It was lovely.
What did we have? Burrata.
Oh my god.
Pizza.
Like a little
pistachio.
eggplanty thing.
I have like a bucket of meat basically.
She had like the biggest plate of meat. It was huge.
And what else? Dessert, tiramisu.
Tiramisu.
Because little drink.
Gotta be done. Just a little one. Like and subscribe. That is so cute.
So cute. So nice.
This is something that therapy can't help.
Okay, so we have just got, we just had breakfast. What did we have? We had croissants, fruit,
Fresh orange juice,
bread.
Lovely.
And now we're having all, is this the Seine? Is this the Seine River?
I think so.
Right, we think we're gonna have to check that later, but anyway, we think it's the Seine River, and we can see the Eiffel Tower, which we're gonna see tonight. And
It's 23 degrees.
23 degrees.
It's glorious.
This gorgeous, the most,
Weather is beautiful.
She's outdressing all of us.
Stop.
This is the hen, by the way, Shana.
Hey, lovely to meet you.
And yeah, we're gonna explore for the next hour or so.
Yeah, we've got
And then go for a picnic.
We've got a little adventure walk.
Yes.
With mysteries and
Yeah.
like a little treasure hunt, which our
Yeah.
friend has planned.
Yeah, that's gonna be really cute.
Yeah, it's called like Love and Mystery.
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah, exactly. So we'll let you know how Lauren does.
Absolutely, and we will update you in half an hour or so, hopefully. So yeah, see you soon.
See you soon.
Shraddha.
Oh! I think we're early anyway.
So we've now come to the Louvre, which is in a beautiful square. So yeah, we'll show you. The girls are doing the photo where you pinch the Louvre.
I made my finger.
Yeah, Moti's head down.
that looks so cool. So gorgeous. So we're at the Eiffel Tower, which you can probably see in the background. There's also bagpipes in the background, hence the noise. But yeah, we're gonna go for a picnic.
I don't want normal butter now. In the middle. Shall we start walking? In addition to the wall, you've written a book called
You don't need any advice.
What is it, a pistachio eclair?
Pistachio eclair and a pomme de tarte.
Wow,
Or
so
tartare.
delicious. This is our pizza rolled up pastry thing. Looks really nice.
But probably. Better than nothing.
I will find you. Oh, do you want me to do it?
Hello, lovelies. So I've got back from Paris and I'm firstly absolutely shattered, but it was so much fun. Would highly recommend. Would also highly recommend the Eurostar, which I thought would just be, well, I know it's just basically a train, but I thought it would be a lot more complicated than it was. Really recommend that from St Pancras. Really easy, decent seats and everything. So yeah, that was really good. Loved it. Everyone was so lovely and positive and bubbly. So yeah, just everything was great. I really loved that first place I went to, that dinner at Pig Mama's. Honestly, that was amazing. I had the biggest, probably saw the massive plate of carpaccio was incredible. Just how it's simply served with like the Parmesan rocket balsamic, just needed a bit of salt. Amazing. Anyway, that was fab. Loads of people had like pasta and pizza. And what else did we get? We got focaccia and burrata. So yeah, I would highly recommend that. And then on the last day we went around the cobbled sort of street area. I'll try and put the name, I can't remember where that is, but anyway, I'll try and put the name of like where that is. And it was like loads of independent shops, really cute, like bakeries, coffee shops. And then it had that like wall of all the, I didn't even know this existed, so I'm clearly not been listening to any popular culture I saw over the past forever. So anyway, that huge blue display of like I love you written in like 250 languages or something. Anyway, I found the English one, found the Spanish one, so we're good. But yeah, that was absolutely gorgeous. That was a really nice day. And yeah, then I got with Laura and Fizz, we got an earlier Eurostar back because we had to then go from London back up to whatever city we were in. So yeah, it was really good. Loved it all. Would highly recommend. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed it. It was obviously for a Hendy if you didn't gather that, but hopefully it was really obvious. But yeah, my friend Sharad is getting married in summer. I'm very excited. But yeah, if you enjoyed it, then obviously join, subscribe, do whatever you want to do. Send me a comment if you liked what you saw today, whenever you watch this. And yeah, see you next time.